How to make swashbuckler paper airplane. Step 1. Start with a regular piece of rectangle paper. Step 2. Fold the top left corner to the right edge. Make sure the top right corner is as pointy as can be. Step 3. Now fold the top right corner to the left edge. Step 4. Find the middle of the big X. Fold down the top half of the big X at the middle of the big X. Step 5. Fold the left half of the paper to the right. Step 6. With your finger, poke the center of the big X and the center will pop in. Step 7. Bring the left and right edges in towards the center to create a triangle. Step 8. Fold the left and right triangle corners to the top point. Step 9. Fold the left and right triangle corners to the top point. Step 10. Fold the center top of the triangle down to where the top point meets the bottom of the triangle. Step 11. Fold the left half to the right. Step 12. Fold the wings while making sure the two corners come together. Step 13. At the edge of the wing, fold in the fin. Do the same thing to the other wing. Step 14. Unfold the wings and fins, then you're ready to take off.